Ski safety in Nagano. Welcome to Nagano in the winter. Nagano has many ski resorts and backcountry areas where you can ski great powder. From beginners to the very advanced, there is an area for everybody to enjoy. On the other hand, there are many risks, and accidents occur every year. We asked mountain professionals for their advice on how to make your riding safe and enjoyable.
Nagano 県のスキー場ですけれども、もう日本でも有数のスキーリゾート密集地。
Nagano Prefecture is famous for its many ski resorts.
様々なスキーリゾートがあって、
Each resort has its own unique character and can be enjoyed by skiers from all levels.
楽しめるリゾート地になっております。やはり雪質がいい。
Many visitors come here for the dry powder conditions.
乾いたパウダーコンディションを求めていらっしゃる。あと、長野県豪雪地帯。
Some ski resorts are located in areas with heavy snowfall, so you can enjoy deep runs in fresh snow.
深い新雪での、浮遊感を求めた滑走を求めていらっしゃる方が、多い。コースは、我々パトロールが、
The trails are maintained by ski patrol to make it easy to ride.
行ってます。何かトラブル
If you are on trail, ski patrol will be able to rescue you quickly.
レスキューすることができます。ただコース外になりますと、
Some ski areas open off-piste or inbound tree run areas.
もあったり、あと、弊社のようにツリーの中を、開放しているスキー場もあります。ただそういうところにはやはり
These areas are more difficult to access and rescue may be delayed compared to on-trail
な
accidents.
かなか、に比べるとどうしても迅速な対応、まず場所が
It may also take time to locate the accidents, which will further delay the rescue.
素早いレスキューサービスっていうのはなかなか受け入れづらいっていう現状があります。ですので、そういう
When skiing off-piste or in tree run areas, you should ski with a buddy and not alone.
一人で滑らないことと、レスキューホイッスル
Carrying a rescue whistle or other devices to indicate your location will help in smoothly running the rescue operation.
と、そうです。我々が
Ski patrol manages the area within ski resort boundaries.
中なんですね。なのでスキー場境界線の外
When accessing backcountry terrain, you must exit through the gates determined by the ski resort.
と、スキー場
Never
の
duck
中
the
に
ropes
であるロープは決してくぐらないことと、看板
and follow the signs set up by ski patrol.
っていうことですかね。
Inside the ski resort boundaries, contact ski patrol or a ski resort employee. Outside the ski resort boundaries. If you are outside of the ski resort boundaries, please call the police or fire department for rescue. Call 110 for the police or 119 for the fire department. Rescue fees may be charged. Have fun and be safe out there.